Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a true modern classic in the motorcycle world, the 2026 Triumph Street Twin. Known for its perfect blend of retro charm and modern performance, the Street Twin has been a favorite among riders who appreciate style, comfort, and everyday usability. The 2026 model takes this legacy further, refining its looks, enhancing performance, and adding smarter tech for a more complete riding experience. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this Street Twin stands out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Triumph Street Twin carries forward its unmistakable vintage appeal while gaining sharper details and premium finishes. The sculpted fuel tank, brushed aluminum accents, and minimal bodywork remain central to its identity, but new LED lighting and updated paint schemes bring a fresh, modern touch. The seat design has been improved for better comfort, and subtle changes to the fenders and side panels give the bike a more refined, cohesive stance. It's a machine that looks equally at home in the city or on an open country road. Performance and powertrain. Underneath its timeless design lies a 900 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers smooth torque and a strong mid-range punch. For 2026, Triumph has fine-tuned the motor for cleaner performance and better throttle response while maintaining that signature exhaust note riders love. The bike features a slick 5-speed gearbox and a lightweight chassis that makes urban maneuvering effortless. With upgraded suspension and refined braking components, the Street Twin offers a balanced mix of agility, comfort, and confidence for all kinds of riders. Safety and technology. Triumph continues to blend tradition with innovation. The 2026 Street Twin features ride-by-wire throttle, dual riding modes, road and rain, along with switchable traction control and ABS for enhanced safety. A new semi-digital display provides key riding information with clarity, while USB charging and optional connectivity packages make it tech-ready for modern riders. Improved LED lighting ensures visibility, day or night, adding both style and safety. Conclusion. The 2026 Triumph Street Twin is a motorcycle that captures the essence of classic motorcycling while embracing the demands of today's riders. With its refined design, spirited engine, and advanced features, it remains one of the most versatile and stylish modern classics on the road. Whether you're cruising through city streets or enjoying weekend rides, the Street Twin delivers a timeless experience every time you twist the throttle. Stay tuned to my channel for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the bikes that define the road ahead.